Hey everybody, it's Haley. Today we're gonna make some super delicious, soft and chewy white chocolate chip cookies. My family is obsessed with these cookies, especially Sam. He's always asking me to remake them. And honestly, I usually prefer chocolate chip cookies, just normal ones. But these are pretty good, and I would say they're a competition for my chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. So I'm actually making a kind of big batch of this, so if you don't want to make a batch this big, you can make a half batch or a quarter batch. But we're gonna start with 4 sticks of butter. That's how you know these cookies are good. I'm making a really big batch. We've got 2 cups of white sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. And I've got Sir Whiskington back again. It's been a long time since I've had Sir Whiskington in a video. And you're gonna beat that together until the butter and the sugars are nicely creamed, and they're gonna get light and fluffy. Oh, that's on the wrong side. There we go. That's nice and mixed, and then I'm gonna add 4 eggs, and I accidentally cracked them into a container that was way too small. It's very full. Okay, there we go. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. An overflowing teaspoon. Yes, that's perfect. And we're gonna beat the eggs in. And don't forget to scrape down the bottom and the sides of your bowl to make sure it's all fully mixed. Okay, then over here, in this bowl, I have 6 cups of flour, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And I'm just gonna stir this together. And then you're gonna add your dry mixture to the wet mixture. And just because I have a lot of flour and I'm afraid it's gonna like fly everywhere because my bowl will be really full, I'm gonna add half to start. But you could probably just add all of it if you feel like you have enough space. And we're gonna mix this in on a low speed. Last thing, 4 cups or 2 bags of white chocolate chips. Alrighty, the dough is done. Taking over my mixer. There's a lot of it. Alrighty, once your dough is done, you're going to get a parchment lined baking sheet and scoop out your cookies. You can make them as big or as small as you like. I like to go with this kind of medium scoop. It's a number 40 in case you're wondering. I have to really refrain from eating cookie dough because that sets a bad example. It looks so good. All right, then you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake these for 10 to 12 minutes. But I find that the convection oven cooks faster, so I'm probably gonna start with 8 minutes and check them. You just want them to be golden brown and like lightly crisp around the edges. All right, let's go. And voila, the cookies are all done, and then I have my cookie dough all scooped out over here. I'm ready to try one. These look so perfectly unperfect, you know what I mean? They're like crinkly and they're running into each other, but they look delicious. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Let me do a little cookie break for you. Oh. Oh my gosh, these are so good. They're so like sweet and buttery and like super soft but then crisp on the edge. I hope these cookies become a new favorite for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!